Up to 70% off nga ngayon dito sa Toy Kingdom Toy Clearance Sale. Sobrang dami ng boots and options dito. Sure na mag-e-enjoy yung mga anak natin and even tayo ng mga young at heart. Perfect din ito for toy collectors. Catch it from August 21 to 24, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. at SMX MOA Complex Hall 4. Free admission pa, no registration needed. Kumpleto sila dito, merong pang girls, boys, baby toys, toddler toys, kids toys, school at art essentials, sports stuff, pati collectible toys na for adults. They also have hygiene essential products, books, bags, cribs, clothes, pillows, kids camera, educational toys, and many more. And yes, may mga items sila as low as 50 pesos. Over 300 top toy brands to choose from, kaya tara na! Don't miss this and i-prepare mo na din yung mga pangregalo mo o kaya naman time to treat our kids and ourselves. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Pumunta na kayo dito sa Toy Kingdom Toy Clearance Sale!